I am making this video to help you memorize the 16 points on a unit circle. And we're going to do it with a hand trick. Let's begin with a unit circle. On the unit circle, we have 4 points that fall on the unit circle. The first ordered pair is 1, 0. The ordered pair at pi over 2 is 0, 1. The ordered pair at pi is negative 1, 0. And the ordered pair at 3 pi over 2 is 0, negative 1. Now remember, in trig land, the ordered pairs always go cosine, comma, sine. So if I wanted to know the cosine at 3 pi over 2, the answer would be 0. If I wanted to know the cosine of 0, it would be 1. If I wanted to know the sine of pi, it would be 0. So cosine, comma, sine for our ordered pairs. Let's take a look at the hand. The hand is your left hand, and it becomes the first quadrant of your unit circle. Your thumb is 90 degrees, or pi over 2. Your pointer finger is 60 degrees, or pi over 3. Your middle finger is 45 degrees, or pi over 4. Your ring finger is pi over 6, or 30 degrees. And your pinky is 0 degrees. So if I take a problem, cosine of pi over 6, I look and see that pi over 6 is 30 degrees. Pull back your ring finger. The cosine fingers, comma, then the sine fingers. Remember, the ordered pair goes cosine, comma, sine. So my cosine fingers are 3. My sine fingers are 1. The finger you pulled back is the comma. And cosine is going to be root fingers. How many fingers do you have for cosine? Over 2. Cosine and sine will always have 2 on the bottom. So I get root 3 over 2 because I have 3 fingers that represent cosine. Okay, doing another one. Sine of pi over 4. Pi over 4 is your middle finger. You flip back your middle finger. Cosine, comma, sine. I have 2 fingers for sine, and remember, sine and cosine are always over 2. A little more difficult one is tangent. Remember that tangent is sine over cosine. Well, if the fingers went cosine, comma, sine, then when I flip back my pi over 3 finger, which is my pointer finger, cosine, comma, sine, if I flip my hand, I now have sine fingers over cosine fingers. So tangent is going to be root fingers over root fingers. So I have, when I flip my hands, root 3 over root 1. And we know that root 3 over root 1 reduces to root 3. Root 3 is your answer. If you wanted to do cotangent of pi over 3, you would take and flip back your pointer finger. Do not flip your hand, and then do root fingers over root fingers. So it would be root 1 over root 3, or 1 over root 3. I will do different quadrants on another video.